What's happening, good people? Today I want to talk about blending in Midjourney. If you haven't seen this, it's pretty cool. What you can do is you can go into Midjourney, which I'm going to do right now. You can go into Midjourney, pick two existing documents, two existing images, and then blend them together. All you have to do is go in, backslash, prompt, bring up the blend command, then it'll automatically dump into your library. So I'm going to use this image, and I think I will go ahead and use this image of this wizard smoking a pipe. You can do up to 5 of these. I'm only going to do 2 now to test the waters so we can see what's going on. And then you just hit go. You can see I was playing around with some wizards and some other goofy things there. But you'll see what happens here in just a second. Alright, here it goes. Now it's cooking. So we had with the thing that kind of looked like a Tool album cover and maybe a Gandalf's younger brother, and now it's going to cook up something between the two of these to see what we've got. It's just going to blend them together. It's a really cool function. I've been playing with it a lot. Ooh, these look kind of spooky and weird. I think we're going more into Lich territory with these. So here we go. Definitely, ooh, wow. These are definitely into Lich territory, but you can see I'm going to pop these open so you can get a better look at them like this. Wow, there is some cool looking stuff here, but definitely into the Lich zone. And then from there, you can pick which one you like. I kind of like number 1 here, so I'm going to go ahead and upscale it. And there you go. That's the blend function. Have any questions, drop them below, and I'll try and answer them. Stay safe, stay awesome, everybody.